The boy infiltrates the enemy camp just before daybreak. The rows of tents are silent in the shadow of dawn. Small fire burns in a tent deep within the camp. He senses the presence of an enemy.
Is this gonna help?
As hatred flares inside him, the boy strikes at the man with all. The enemy captain looks the boy square in the eyes. And then, his voice unsteady, he murmurs something. He pauses, coughs up a gout of blood, and tries again. On death's door, the enemy soldier says his piece. He tells the boy the truth of that fateful night. He was not a random soldier, but the boy's own father. The couple were not his parents, but brigands who stole him from the cradle. With a trembling hand, the man hands the boy a small notebook before breathing his last. In it, he learns his home country ran a kidnapping scheme targeting infants. Glued within the pages are multiple pictures of the couple who raised him. His parents are a sin, his life a sham. He has devoted his existence to nothing. The battlefield lies in a cold, hollow silence as the sun slowly begins to rise.
Time for a night dream.
sorry to have caused you so much trouble.
I'll be right back, so just wait. Okay, Mr. Monster? You too, Carrie.